So now we've looked at automation on the UI and API level. Let's focus back on the UI again. Let's look how we can simply reuse assets that we created earlier to test on mobile devices. Tricentis Mobile supports local device testing on iOS and Android, as well as mobile testing on emulators, simulators, and even hooking into cloud providers. In my case, and for this demonstration, my Android tablet is connected to my machine. So therefore, for the purpose of showing you what's happening on my mobile device, I'm using a free version of a software called Visor, which you can see on the right hand side. Back inside Tosca, let me navigate to the mobile test case holder that I have here. Let me switch over to the test configuration tab, and then you'll see that I have a browser configuration, and we have specified Chrome Android. This immediately defines this as a mobile test. Moving forward to create up this test case, what I'm doing is I'm already using pre-shipped modules like the Open Browser, and of course, now let's reuse assets that we created earlier, like the vehicle type selection. We use that in our original test case, automated test case, or the one that we scanned, such as the inter-vehicle data. So by putting that in, now I can go into there and fill in the relevant values. We've seen this a couple of times already, like the make, Volvo, engine performance is 200, data manufacturer, and so on and so forth. Once this is done, once I've filled this out, I will execute it, and you will see through Visor what's happening on my mobile device. Of course, Tosca supports native applications, as well as browser in this case. Let's now run this, and what you'll see through Visor, you'll start to see that the browser is now being executed. So we open up the browser, we go and click on the specific image just to show a bit of flexibility. We then going and filling in the relevant make, engine performance, data manufacturer, and so on and so forth. Once it's done, it will close down and send the results back inside Tosca. Finally, with that being said, we have satisfied all automation requirements.